What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Havin' My Way by Lil Skies. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 2nd fret. I will go ahead and warn you that I'm like 95% sure that this was created in a software program. So what I did was I figured out as close as you can get to the actual riff in the song while still being as beginner friendly as possible. I did write out the tab for it as well, so if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description. Once you get on the video, if you need it, jump into the video description, it's there for you. Now this riff does just repeat throughout the entire song. You're going to start with an E minor formation, which is your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. And you're going to be picking low E, D, G, D. And then you're going to put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E. You're going to pick the high E and the B at the same time. Then pick your G. Then slide that down to the 7th fret. And what I've been doing what makes it easier is if you can just pick those and pause. Or you can pick that G string again right after. So it can look like, or now your next chord is going to be this version of an A minor. You're going to bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger. You're going to put your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and you're going to start with your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the B string, and you're going to pick E, D, G, D, B, D, E, and then take your pinky off, and so where it's barred on the 5th fret, and pick the B string again. So and again, to make that easier, you don't even have to pick the B string again at the very end. You can just pick. So again, you can either pick this version, or in between those two chords, you pick them 3 times. So it starts. Pick that E one more time, and it switches up here, goes to this version of a C. You're going to put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, index finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your pinky finger will be on the 3rd fret of the high E. And you're going to pick A, D, B, G, high E, G, and then 8 on your high E string. So one more time. And then that entire riff just repeats throughout the entire song. So starting from the very top slowly. have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.